Welcome to How to Tesla. Today, I'd like to talk a little bit about Tesla's production, what they did last year, and with the news that's been coming out over the last couple of days, what we're expecting them to do. So last year, Tesla produced 1.3 million vehicles, which is fantastic given how long Tesla's been in business, how it's a brand new concept, these electric vehicles, and the adoption rate at which people are moving into electric vehicles. Now, as good as 1.37 million seems, the current valuation on Tesla stock is going to require a lot more growth and a lot more production and a lot more sales for us to really hit profits from where the price currently is. So we all know a few days ago where Tesla had its Investor Day 2023, they announced the new Giga Mexico. They'll be breaking ground after 3 months, and they're anticipating roughly a 9-month construction period to build the factory, after which they'll start producing cars, and they're gearing initially to hit around 1 million cars per year. Now, at an unspecified date after construction's finished, they're going to be looking to double their financial investment and double the amount of workers, which we believe should produce roughly 2 to 3 million vehicles per year. But let's not move forward on that. Let's just stick to the 1 million per year that they're designing everything to be run at. So last year, having 1.37 million cars made, they're looking to come pretty darn close to doubling it just with Giga Mexico. Today, however, Tesla filed an application in Germany to produce 1 million vehicles at Giga Berlin. Now, currently, Giga Berlin is set up to produce 500,000 vehicles, and they're not quite there yet, but that's what the anticipation is. So with them looking to increase production, which basically means they're going to add on to the factory, you'd be looking at a total of 1.5 million units in addition to what they're already producing today. So the main concern with expanding Giga Berlin has been the water consumption. A lot of environmentalists are concerned with water waste and excess use of water at Giga Berlin because they are in a water protected area. In the application that they just filed, they stated that upping production to 1 million units would not cost a single extra drop of water, which is absolutely phenomenal. I'm not exactly sure how they're doing this, but it's in the application. Apparently, they've got a way that they've worked out. So more than doubling the production from what they did all of last year to what is already in process and is already starting construction here in the very near future, I find as an investor is absolutely exciting. We're getting to see year after year, this company expand and grow faster than most companies we've witnessed in history. So keeping the fantastic news rolling for Tesla stock, today Morgan Stanley announced that they're maintaining their buy rating on Tesla. Adam Jonas, one of the analysts at Morgan Stanley, decided to keep the buy rating, and he has a price projection of $220 for the stock. Now, Morgan Stanley also gave an interesting tidbit about Tesla and heat pumps. If you remember back on Investor Day 2023, they had talked about how using heating pumps in homes and commercial facilities would dramatically reduce the amount of energy consumption that we use on the planet. A lot of people are speculating that this means that Tesla is going to integrate some sort of heating pump business, which they also stated would tie in really, really well with the solar ecosystem that they're currently building for home consumers. I happen to agree 100% with this. I think that getting into a lucrative market such as heat pumps would really, really benefit not only the bottom line, but also energy conservation and us moving to more of a sustainable energy future. And finally, updating the consensus price target on Tesla over all of the Wall Street analysts out there, we're coming in at a solid $212.89, which is roughly 18% upside